Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Mary Maidenhill. Hello, how are you? Ooh. Today I am going to be doing a vampire look. This time is going to be kind of like a little gothic. I'm actually going to be doing, if you saw the intro, you're going to be able to see what I did. But if you want to know how I did it, then just watch this video and I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do that now. Click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. And leave a comment. Leave a like. Why not, right? Just be nice. You know what? That kind of rhymed. So, yes. So, if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Now, the first thing I'm going to be doing is blocking my eyebrows. I will be doing this off camera because it takes me a little bit. Now, if you guys want a specific video on how to block your eyebrows or how I block my eyebrows, then just leave me on the comments and I'd be more than happy to create that video. But for now, I am going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. So now that my eyebrows are blocked, you can still see a little bit. Whenever you're going to do your eyebrows, make sure that you have your color corrector. I usually use the orange one, but mine, it's gone, girl. I didn't have enough to do both of the eyebrows, so I was like, I'm not going to use it. But even if you can see a still look, you can still see a little bit. We are going to be using some eyeshadow up there, so you won't be able to see it that much. Okay, so if you see me looking down, it's because I have my mirror. Okay, I'm going to put it right here in front of me. So that way I can, see what I'm doing. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do for the forehead, I'm using a pencil liner. This is like an eyebrow liner just to define the lines of where I want to go, right? So I'm going to go ahead and do the lines. Right? So we trace the lines where we want it. Now we're going to go ahead in with the eyeshadow and start doing like the eyeshadow, like blending all that in. So I'm going to grab from the Kimchi because the browns on this palette are amazing. And I'm also going to be using the Blood Sugar palette from Jeffree Star, which the maroon colors there and like the reds and purples are amazing. So yeah, I'm going to grab the shade Burned on the palette, which is like a lighter brown. You can see right here, this one right here, this one. But when you do the darker lines, then you go in and start shading that. So we're just going to be doing that in a little bit, but we are just filling this in first. It's all in the blend. Once we do this, then we're going to go over it with the lighter color and then highlight the inside. So that way it blends a little bit more. But for now we're doing this so that way we can contour. Because this is not a cute, this is more like a evil or pissed off vampire. It's still cute. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and highlight with this palette that I have here. That way we can try to kill those harsh lines. Okay. Now we are going to go and start with the eyes, and then I'll do my neck, and then we'll move from that. So now from the Blood Sugar palette, I want to use the color Intravenous. I want to use probably Extraction. Yeah, Intravenous, Extraction, and maybe a little bit of Fresh Meat. So this is it. So I am going to start with Intravenous, which is the darkest one here. This one right here. And I am going to grab a fluffy brush. This one right here. And just tap it in there. Like that. Don't worry if you make a mess, because everything is going to be blended out. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with the black. Yeah, it's gonna be smoky. It's not gonna be like super detailed, because what I wanted to like pop was basically my forehead. Okay, so this part right here, we're going to add a little bit of concealer to define it. Let me grab with a brush because I don't want to mess it up. And make that corner there pop a little bit more. There we go. And then we blend that out. So it looks like it's on top of the okay. Now let's set that out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put my contacts in my, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish the eyes and the rest of the makeup. Okay, so I put my contacts in. Now, for the bottom of the eye, I am only going to be doing this part right here because I want to leave my eyes, you know, with that kind of like reddish waterline. These are the contacts I'm wearing. They're kind of red. They're from TTDI. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab that same Blood Sugar palette. And I'm going to be grabbing the color Sherry Soda, which is this one right here. Yeah, this one right here. I'm going to just do it on the bottom portion to make it look a little bit reddish. So I'm going to grab a small fluffy brush. Let me see if I find one. There we go. This one is a Vasanti. I'm going to grab a little bit. Tap, tap, and then just get this part, you know, red. This eyeshadow palette is the best when it comes to like reds and stuff like that. Oof, I love it. Now I'm going to get that purple, that dark purple from this palette as well. I'm going to try to like get this part a little bit darker. That's the color Coma in the Blood Sugar palette. See right there. Okay, now I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to contour my nose with that same palette that I was using, but from this one I'm going to be using this color. I don't want to make it too dark on my nose. Just a little bit, not too much. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelashes, I'm sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and put my eyelashes and to finish the rest of the look. I'm going to put my lippy on, my wig, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look with the eyelashes, liner. The last thing and the only thing we're missing is the teeth. So this is this is the vampire look. I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.